it didn't matter, did it? Did it matter? I mean, everybody complained about it. Belluar complained about it. I complained about it. They still added it. So this is probably going to be a premium currency. And there's a good chance that Blizzard, with enough backlash, will change it from being a premium currency to being an earnable currency, or to being an earnable currency that you can accelerate through doing premium things like spending money. But I think that over time, just like the traders tender, they will slowly shift people's mind into expecting to spend money on it. That's what's going to happen, man. And so that's it.